Girl, I can take your man if he tried Kaya's chicken pasta. Cause welcome to another video, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to a mental break. Thanks for tuning in. This is Deanna. Thank you to any new subscribers. I don't think I've gotten any new ones since my last video, but it's okay. Not worried about it. Y'all saw the video that I already put up. Y'all see the intro in the beginning of this video. We're going to talk about cooking with Kaya. Now, this young lady has blew up on TikTok and has got, oh, Jesus, this is insane, got people, men and women, battling over this young girl here and what she's doing. Now, for those of you who don't know and don't be on TikTok, this is, I just showed you a video of a young lady named Cooking with Kaya. And what this young lady does is that in her, she cooks, she does cooking videos, okay? And what she does is, in the beginning of her video, she'll hold out a plate of food and she'll say, get up and cook your man breakfast before I do, and then she'll be doing her little dance, cooking with Kaya, what I just showed you in the intro. And then she does a little twerk at the end. She does it on every video. That's what she does. She wears provocative clothing, but she's a young girl. This is how these young girls dress. So, this is what she wears. So apparently, this got the women of TikTok in an uproar. And this has sparked not just outrage from some people, it's also people copycatting her now. I'm noticing there are men on TikTok now with no shirts cooking. Now there are women on there that's starting to cook now and trying to do something similar to her. This is a mess. This is a whole hot ass mess. Now let's start talking about the concept of what this girl is doing. Now, the reason why the women are upset on TikTok, because for a few reasons, from what I gather. One of the reasons are they believe that this is like only fanish, because she does the twerking and says I'll take your man. She does some little suggestive things, like she has one video where she tells you, wake up, fix your man breakfast before I do, and she'll squirt whipped cream in her mouth. So that is, sexually suggestive. So she has picked up a lot of male followers and some women too, but she's picked up a lot of male followers, and the women are complaining that their men are following Cooking with Kaya. So this is the problem. So they want her off TikTok. And from what I'm hearing, I heard, and I don't know if it's true or not because I didn't go back to look. As a matter of fact, let me look it up right now. That her main TikTok page was taken down. Now she has other follow up pages, but from what I understand, her I'm looking it up now to see if she still has her main page, because um she let me see. She has, no, this is not her. Let me see if I can get to, this is one of her pages from 5 days ago. See, this one has 702 followers. That's one of her backup pages, because she said she has 2 million likes on this post, uh on her channel. She has 2 million likes on her channel. One of her videos are getting 11 million, 10 million, 12 million. So she's getting the views. I heard that her main page had over a million followers, but it got taken down. So that's why I said, it's a lot of outrage about this young lady. All right, now let's break this down the mental health way with accountability and what makes sense. Okay. I'm going to do both sides of it. On one side, the young lady is cooking. She's not a chef and she doesn't claim to be. The food that this woman is cooking, we can all cook. It's not something that only a chef could make, or you need to go to the Cordon Bleu in Paris or whatever. So it's not that this girl is some classic chef and she doesn't pretend to be. Also, she found the gimmick. Now, mind you, women don't like her gimmick, but she got has a gimmick and a niche. What she did was she knows that she's young and pretty, and she said, "Let me cook and do my little twerk and let me do my little thing," and that's what she did for her content for her channel. Now, I don't see anything wrong with what this young girl is doing. I really don't. And the reason why I say that is because she's not hurting anybody. She's not hurting anybody. If men are dumb enough to give this girl money and run her numbers up, that's on them. That's on them. Like, I don't see what is the outrage with this young girl. All she do is twerk, which we see on Instagram every day. Every day, there's somebody on there twerking. All this girl doing is fixing food, turn around twerking, and doing a couple little sexually suggested things. Now, do what is it my cup of tea? No, because I don't believe that you need to use sex for everything. We don't need to sexualize food. Listen, everything doesn't have to be sexualized. I love a cooking video, and I don't need somebody twerking and squirting whipped cream in their mouth to get the point across. I just want to know how to cook it, okay? Because I got a recipe for turkey wings this past Thanksgiving that was insane. I got it from this chef off of Facebook, and my turkey wings, oh my God, I have to make them like that forever now. But the point I'm making is I don't need all that. And see, um, we're not looking at the other side of it. There's another side. With this young lady going viral, she's also a target now. That's what people are not understanding. She's not just a target for the women that hate her. She also opened up an avenue for men to try to stalk her and find her. And, now that she's a viral sensation, where she goes out, people might recognize her. Men might stalk her. So this is just bigger than some cooking video. So that's why I said it's just insane to me. It's getting to be too much. TikTok will make you a star and then snatch it from you all in 3 to 5 business days. I ain't never seen nothing like it. That's how TikTok works. I'll be over there on TikTok, but I'll be over there looking for stories for y'all. And I found a couple things too, but we'll get to that later. I mean, another videos. But the point is that I'll be over there looking for content. I don't, get caught up in who's doing what or whatever because I don't really care like that. That's their content. If I don't like it, I won't look at it. It's just that simple. It ain't hard to do. That's why I don't understand why they're in an uproar about this young girl. If you don't like her content, that's fine. Why are you mad because your man looking at it? Are you mad because this man is giving this young girl his money and not you? Are you mad because he's looking at this young girl with lust and not you? I don't get it. But whatever it is, you have to take that up with your man, not this young girl. This young girl just going on TikTok trying to make her little money. And I'm not mad at the girl. And I know that Kaya is not going to come across this video, but just if in some small piece, if somebody would send her this video and ask her to and clip it and let her listen to what I got to say to her, this is what I have to say to Kaya. Honey, get your money. Get your money and invest it well so that you will continue to make money. Because the simple fact that they're going to take you down as soon as they can. And if you don't have other talents other than doing your cooking videos, you need to really take that money and start yourself a business. Start a business, do some investing, do something. But don't go out there buying a bunch of Louis bags and cars and all that kind of stuff, because that stuff is going to just have you in a trap. Invest your money so that you will get a return. This is your opportunity to level up yourself. DDG, from word on the street, I don't know if it's true, gave you 50,000 to come on his YouTube channel. Take that money, baby, and flip it. Don't go out there and spend it all up. Flip it. And then go on with your merry life. Okay? Because they already, I believe they took down her main page, and they're going to keep messing with that girl. And that's ridiculous. So that's what I wanted to tell her. Get your money, invest it, flip it. Don't run out and buy a bunch of crap. I'm not saying you can't buy something nice for yourself. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that don't go out and just blow it. Find you some sort, if you don't know what to do, find a reputable financial consultant. Do your research and find someone that is reputable, that can help you invest your money or find ways to grow your money. Because, honey, this is not going to last long for you. So if you want to make that money, that's what you need to do. Because this is getting to be insane. It's getting to be too much. That girl is getting death threats to talk about they want to jump her. All that over some videos on TikTok. That's it's like TikTok is crazy. TikTok is another world. In all honesty, I be on TikTok. I didn't even know people in America. These people live in America. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Because some of the stuff that these people be saying and some of the stuff these people be doing on that damn TikTok app, I be like, who in the hell let the gate open? And I ain't talking about the heavens gates. I'm talking about the damn zoo gates. Who the hell left it open for some of these damn zoo creatures on here acting crazy? So that's why I said, listen, I'm not mad at cooking with Kaya. Kaya, as long as you can make your money, make it. Please be careful, honey. Make sure you protect yourself. Make sure you watch the people around you. Because now that you're making money, this is when the vultures come out. Because, like I said, I ain't mad at the girl. She's not hurting anybody. She doesn't have any children that I'm aware of, so there's no children neglect. She ain't out there answering, going to people DMs talking about you want to come over for breakfast or lunch or dinner. So leave the damn girl alone. I don't understand it. I'm still confused. But again, it's so many women out here that are not girls. See, I'm a girl's girl. And I'm not going to sit here and knock another woman on how she make her money. The only thing that I'm going to say is, especially when she ain't hurting nobody, the only thing I'm going to say is just be careful. That's just it. It ain't affecting me. So if it ain't affecting me, why do I care about this girl, twerking with a plate of pancakes? What the hell I care? I could twerk in my own damn kitchen with a plate of pancakes. Now, mind you, I can't twerk long because my knees hurt. I'm a nurse, over 20 years, but that ain't the point. The point is that I can twerk in my damn kitchen with a plate of pancakes. I just don't choose to. It ain't that deep. So I could do that for my man. What difference to him? He don't care anyway. He wouldn't look at me twerk anyway. He eat the damn pancakes with this simple. So anyway, I'm not calling him simple. I'm just saying these men today, they don't care, child. So especially when you get of a certain age, these men don't be caring like that. All they care about is their financial portfolio, child. So that's why I said, I wish they would leave. In all honesty, I wish they would leave that young girl alone. She's not bothering nobody. Nobody. So they should leave her alone. Let her make her money. Let her enjoy the ride. This girl can't even enjoy being viral and getting the money she's getting. It's not even enjoyable when you have getting death threats and all this kind of stuff. It's just not worth it. These people need to stop. They really do. They really do. I'm so sick of social media sometimes with the things that they do because it's not necessary. But anyway, let me get off of here. I just came on here about this cooking with Kaya young lady, and I wish the young lady all the best. I really feel bad for her, and I hope she has a community or a village of people that is around her, that's protecting her, that's looking out for her. Because this is stupid to me. It really is. It's just really stupid. All right, let me get off of here, guys. I'll be back with something else. I won't be. Oh yeah. I got a Wicked. I'm doing a review on the Wicked movie. I'm going to put that video up probably by the end of the week, and then next week I'm just running shorts on this channel because it's Christmas week and I'm busy and I don't have time to be doing videos. I got too much stuff going on. Family members. I got a lot of stuff going on next week. So I'm gonna give you guys a video that I'm gonna schedule probably for Monday, and then it's gonna be shorts after that, the rest of the week, and I'm gonna throw some shorts up probably the early part of next week as well because again, like I said, I'm enjoying my holidays. I don't want to do any work with for any reason. So all work for me stops Christmas Eve at 12 noon. That's everything. Me working at my job, YouTube, whatever I'm doing. Everything stops Christmas Eve at 12 noon because I'm going to enjoy my holiday break without doing any work. I'm enjoying my family. I'm enjoying the holiday season, and I'm just going to have a good time because this is life, y'all. And if you don't go out and enjoy it, next thing you know, it's gone. And if you sit here listening to all these fears on social media, you'll never live life. I don't listen to what people say on social media. What I do is I research. If I hear something that's, off to me, if I'm about to do something or go somewhere, I'll just research it and see what's really going on before I go. And that's just it, because I'm living life. So I won't be. No, 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 no. I'm putting the Wicked video up, so I will wish you guys a happy holiday in that video. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Y'all have a great one. Talk to you soon.